Meaning of healthiness.
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 Healthiness. Healthiness refers to the state or quality of being in good health, both physically and mentally. It encompasses a range of factors including proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and emotional well-being. Maintaining good health is essential for overall well-being and a fulfilling life. Neglecting one's health can lead to numerous health problems, reduced quality of life, and even premature death. A focus on healthiness involves making conscious choices and taking proactive steps to improve and maintain one's health, ultimately leading to a happier, more fulfilling life.